Roll the dice on these compelling wagers. Give your portfolio a massive jolt with growth stocks to make you rich. SolarEdge Technologies encountered a rocky year, but market sentiment hints at a bright rebound. CommScope, despite a tumultuous start to the year, its network infrastructure relevance suggests a promising turnaround. Hannon Armstrong, while faced with significant volatility, its clean energy mortgage niche holds strong growth potential. Let's dive in. Here are the 3 great growth stocks that will make early investors rich. Welcome to Timely Investment Research. Like anything in life, the greater the potential rewards, the more you'll have to risk, and so it is growth stocks to make you rich. Basically, these ideas are more than liable to raise the blood pressure of a traditional financial analyst. If you're into a conservative, slow, and steady approach to the market, I have a newsflash for you. These are not the stocks you're looking for. On the other hand, if you're looking for a significant rejuvenation for the side of your portfolio earmarked for speculation, then yes, these securities just might do the trick. However, you must recognize the severe risk profile. While all the below growth stocks to make you rich feature analyst targets implying over 100% upside, that lofty forecast is far from guaranteed. Then again, nothing groundbreaking really exists about opportunities that barely return over the pace of inflation. Do you want predictability? Check out these passive income providers. But if you want blistering gains, check out these growth stocks to make you rich. Number 1. SolarEdge Technologies. One of the sad realities of targeting growth stocks to make you rich is their cyclical nature. Just look at SolarEdge Technologies. Amid the housing boom and the subsequent inflationary spike, SolarEdge soared from its 2020 doldrums. However, since the January opener, competitive and economic realities pushed SolarEdge Technologies down a shocking 56%. No doubt about it, it's an ugly ride. Still, what might be the saving grace here is sentiment in the derivatives market. Perfintel's options flow screener, which exclusively focuses on big block trades likely made by institutions. A major trader sold 609 contracts of the Jan 19, 2024 150.00 put on August 8th. Keep in mind that if the countervailing put holder exercises the contract, the put writer is on the hook. Technically, the key here is open interest, which currently stands at 500 contracts. Yes, that's lower than the 609 contracts written in August. Still, that's a sizable open obligation. This possibly suggests that traders are anticipating more downside. However, an unexpected sentiment reversal could shake up the market. Enticingly, analysts peg SolarEdge Technologies a moderate buy with a $272.50 price target, implying over 117% upside. Number 2. CommScope. Based in Hickory, North Carolina, CommScope is a network infrastructure provider, focusing on the design and manufacturing of network-related products. Per its public profile, CommScope features 4 business segments which cover home, broadband, venue campus, and outdoor wireless networks. On paper, CommScope appears incredibly relevant. Unfortunately, since the January opener, shares hemorrhaged 61% of equity value. Obviously, that's not a great performance. At the same time, the red ink provides ample runway as a contrarian source for growth stocks to make you rich. Specifically, the derivatives market again points to an intriguing setup. Perfintel's options flow screener, 2 transactions placed earlier this month stand out. 6,805 contracts bought at the Jan 17, 2025 4.00 call and 7,003 contracts sold of the Jan 17, 2025 10.00 call. Given the high volume and open interest involved, it appears that options traders have facilitated an opportunity zone. Basically, major traders anticipate that CommScope will shoot past the $4 strike price. Conversely, other market participants believe that CommScope will hit a ceiling at $10. Think of the $4 to $10 zone as a prevent defense that allows the offense to pick up garbage yards. Interestingly, analysts see CommScope hitting $6.35, a return of over 119%. Number 3. Hannon Armstrong. Structured as a mortgage-based real estate investment trust, Hannon Armstrong doesn't immediately come across as one of the growth stocks to make you rich. Frankly, I wouldn't even consider it were it not for the fact that analysts see significant upside potential here. Also, Hannon Armstrong issues mortgages on clean energy assets, a compelling growth market. Naturally, a prime concern for Hannon Armstrong is volatility. Since the beginning of this year, shares lost nearly 46% of their equity value. Even worse, the negative acceleration has been horrific. In the past 5 sessions, Hannon Armstrong gave up over 29% of its value, driving the price down to $15.42. So, should daring contrarians attempt to catch a falling knife here? If you're big into options, the answer might be yes. Turning again to Fintel's options flow screener, major traders wrote 598 contracts of the November 17, 2023 15.00 put and wrote 1,002 contracts of the December 15, 2023 15.00 put. Presumably, these transactions implied that a floor might exist at the $15 strike. Also, for good measure, a trader wrote 2,000 contracts of the MAR 15, 24 10.00 put. Notably, analysts anticipate Hannon Armstrong to reach $35.67 per share, implying over 131% upside potential. Thanks for spending some time with us today, Timely Investment Research. We're so glad you did. If you found value in today's video, please give us a like, hit that bell icon to never miss an upload, and hey, don't forget to subscribe.